Oh my god, like, do y'all see how good this looks? Do you see how?
Booty consolation, booty consultation, booty consultation, put that booty in rotation. Break your back, break your back, break your back, shawty, break your back. Okay, break your back right now, throw it back right now, bust that cat right now, throw it back right now, break your back right now, throw it back right now, bust that cat right now, throw it back right now.
What's going on, world? It's Scott Santana, aka. Wait, hold up. I gotta think of an intro for my cooking videos. Listen, it's Scott Santana, and I'm back for a Ratchet Recipes video, girl. Like, it's been a while since I've done these type of videos. Literally, like, it's been a while, okay? And I gotta be honest, I do want to start doing a lot more cooking videos on my channel. I want to start introducing a lot more food to my channel because food is such a huge, important piece of my life. So it's like, why not like share that on my channel, right? So basically, if you don't know what Ratchet Recipes is, it's basically where you take like a gourmet recipe, but then you scale it down to like a college budget. We're balling out on a budget and we're cooking a great meal, but for cheap how? Because I know a lot of motherfuckers out there ain't got no fucking money to be spending like no $20, $30. Like, these meals be adding up. So this whole shrimp Alfredo recipe right here is something that literally anybody can do. It's nothing gourmet. Like, it's super simple, super easy on the pockets, and like, it will fill you up. Looking at these ingredients, I literally spent less than $10, and that's because I'm a fat ass. Like, when I cook, I like to make sure that I have enough to last me damn near the whole fucking month, you know what I mean? Like, listen, we're eating for two. We eating for my past self and my new transition girl. Like, we eating for two, okay? But I'm sure if you guys follow this recipe, you can literally still get away with maybe spending like $7. Well, damn, $3 cheaper, but okay, like, it's the shrimp that costs the most, okay? Speaking of, I got the great value bag, okay? Like, that's where I like to shop. I like to shop at Walmart because it is super cheap at Walmart, okay? Like, listen, if you have a car, I highly recommend like going around to different places. Like, you can go to Walmart, you can go to Aldi's, you can go to the Dollar Tree. Like, you can get your stuff from different stores. Comment below if you want to see me do a video like that, like where I talk about like the different stores I like to go to and what I like to get from each store, because I definitely have a lot of grocery tips that will help you guys, okay? So comment below if you want that type of video. But the main ingredient is the shrimp right here, okay? The main ingredient, the shrimp, okay? This is what's gonna cost the most. Now, you could go to the Dollar Tree, because Dollar Tree be having some good ass food, y'all. Okay, don't sleep on motherfucking Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree be having some good ass food, y'all. Okay, especially like if you at a Dollar Tree and they got like, because different Dollar Trees in different places be having different things, you know what I mean? Like, Dollar Tree is one of them places where literally everything is $1. Shit that you wouldn't even think that you would find inside of a Dollar Tree, they will carry. Like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, name brand, like name brand stuff, they will carry. It'll be there 1 week and then gone the next. Like, so Dollar Trees, make sure that you check your local Dollar Trees. Like, they be having some good stuff, including shrimp, okay? I didn't get these shrimp from Dollar Tree. Like I said, I got these from Walmart. But if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, you can go to your Dollar Tree. You can get baby shrimp within a bag, you know, get a couple of those bags if you don't want to go ahead and spend $5 at Walmart. But $5 at Walmart for this, still not a bad idea. Pasta, okay, because we're making shrimp Alfredo, and I personally like all different types of pasta, but my personal favorite is fettuccine, girl. Fettuccine, okay? Quick little story, when I was growing up, I didn't really like spaghetti. Spaghetti used to make me throw up. Like, the skinnier the noodles, I used to throw the fuck up. I couldn't handle spaghetti. And it was the same thing with linguine, right? That's crazy, because I would go to Red Lobster and like I would love their food and love like the shrimp Alfredo linguine at Red Lobster, but I still couldn't like really digest it because something about how skinny the noodle was, it just didn't work with my body, right? Nowadays, I love all types of different pasta, including linguine and spaghetti, but fettuccine is still my favorite, and you can find this available at Walmart for only $1, girl. Like, only $8. Matter of fact, I think this shit was on sale for like 82 cents out. Okay, I think this shit was on sale for like motherfucking 82 cents out. Okay, like Walmart be having all of this. Like, anytime you say great value, bitch, that means it's a great bargain. Okay, so you go get it. You go get it. We ain't got time to be no bougie hoe, girl. We ain't got no time to be no bougie hoe. So if you in the comments like, I like Barilla, I like something that costs more, girl, this ain't the video for you. Alfredo sauce, okay? Now, she likes to cook. She likes to cook. I mean, I don't know if y'all can tell, I'm only sitting in my kitchen filming this video in front of a boiling pot of water, okay, which I hope ain't getting on my head, like, girl, okay? But I love to motherfucking cook, right? but I don't necessarily always have the time nor the budget, okay, to make everything from scratch, right? Even the Alfredo sauce is like super easy to make. Like literally, like if you guys want me to do a video on that, like making homemade Alfredo from scratch, I can do that. I gotta learn how to make like pasta from scratch, but as far as the sauce, it's super easy. Alfredo sauce is literally just like heavy milk, or is it heavy cream? Girl, it's one of them. Heavy milk, heavy cream, and some Parmesan cheese, you know, whatever cheese you want. No, you know, anything else you want in that bitch, right? But it's mostly just like heavy cream, heavy milk, right? This Alfredo sauce right here, let me tell y'all something. Alfredo is nothing like marinara, right? When it comes to Alfredo, you cannot just buy a store-bought Alfredo. Like most store-bought Alfredos taste garbage. They taste like trash. Like literally they are meant to be used as a stepping stone, as a foundation, but never, I don't care, do not go to Walmart, do not go to any store and just pick up that Alfredo sauce, Prego or Newman's or any other, do not pick none of those up and think that you're just gonna have that and be good. No, it's gonna taste bitter, it's gonna taste nasty, ew. This shit right here though, this Classico, when I tell y'all that this is some good motherfucking shit, okay, because when it comes to marinara, I like to use Ragu. When it comes to Alfredo, I use this shit when I'm not making it homemade because this shit tastes homemade. It tastes homemade, it tastes authentic. It kind of tastes like Olive Garden's Alfredo. If you think about it, it kind of tastes like Olive Garden's Alfredo. But I love to use Classico extra creamy, if you can find it, extra creamy Alfredo or their roasted garlic Alfredo. Any of them really will do, but I love to use their extra creamy Alfredo because girl, it tastes so authentic, it's just so good, it's creamy, it literally is the best, okay? The best, okay? You can usually find it at Walmart. Again, I'm gonna keep plugging Walmart even though they're not paying me. I'm gonna keep plugging Walmart because you know they cheap. They cheap, okay? You can find it at Walmart for like, I think like 2 for $3, I think like 150, something like that. But yes, get you some Classico, girl. Get you some Classico. Okay, now toppings, okay? Because I always gotta have toppings on my pasta, or I get bored. Food and boredom, like that does not go together, okay? That food should be fun, right? Food should be fun, so I want my plate to be fun, okay? I want my bowl to be real colorful, real colorful, okay? Like my life. I like to add toppings and shit like tomatoes, okay? Tomatoes and motherfucking broccoli. Thank me later, girl. Thank me motherfuck later, girl. Thank me later, girl. Add some toppings, okay? Add some tomatoes to that hoe. Add an onion to that hoe, which is not pictured right now. It's in the closet. I don't feel like getting up and getting it because I just thought about it. Okay, add some peppers, which I don't have and I should have got. I don't know why I didn't think about that. But onions and peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, like girl. Your shrimp Alfredo is gonna be lit. Okay, your shrimp Alfredo is gonna be lit. And basically, these are toppings that I add to dishes regardless. And the last thing, some butter. Okay, because you need some butter to cook your damn shrimp, the fuck? And then of course, whatever seasonings y'all wanna use. My staples are salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Usually, if I have it, some Cajun seasoning, which I forgot to get, damn. I just forgot a lot of shit in Walmart yesterday, okay? Usually, I personally like to use essences, Cajun seasoning, because it's so fucking good, girl. It's so good, okay? But enough of me rambling how, it's time to eat, girl. I'm starving. It's time to eat, girl. Okay, so the first thing that you wanna do is you wanna take your pot of boiling water, and then you wanna add some salt to it. Look at my cheetah print tattoo, ain't it so cute? Ooh, this shit is hot. Oh my God, it's hot. Next, you want to take your pasta and add it to the pot. I don't like to break up my pasta. I feel like it's unnecessary, so I just add it all in there. You're going to cook this uncovered for about 13 to 14 minutes. So while the noodles are cooking, you're going to heat up a new pan. Okay? You're going to add some butter to it. This will be the time that you add your garlic if you want. I'm gonna add in my fresh garlic. If you have some olive oil, you can add that in as well. powder. About to add some black pepper. And again, this is on low because I don't want to overcook the shrimp. I'm gonna add some of my special spices. I'm gonna stir that up. Don't be afraid to taste your food and make sure that's to your liking. Now usually I would add chicken broth, but I don't have any chicken broth, so I'm gonna add just a dash of beef broth. Just a dash. For the broccoli, I'm gonna take that and throw it in the microwave. Emptied out all the water, but I do like to leave a little bit of that starch water inside. I don't wash my pasta because the starch on the noodles is what helps the sauce stick to the noodles better, okay? You can go ahead and season your noodles if you like. Mix that up. Gonna dump my Alfredo sauce in. A trick that I like to use to get the rest of it out of the jar is just add some milk to this.
consolation, booty compilation, booty confrontation. Put that booty in rotation. Break your back, cow. Break your back, cow. Break your back, cow. Shawty, break your back, cow. Okay, booty consolation. Booty.
Oh my God, girl, it just took forever cooking this damn dish and filming. Oh my God, I'm ready to dig into this. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my fucking God. Like, do y'all see how good this looks? Do you see how? Oh my God. Oh my God. Thumbnail. Do you see how good this shit is? Oh my God. Listen, I would give y'all a mukbang, but I can't, sis, because I got this mouth guard in my mouth, and y'all not about to have me up here looking a hot mess eating, okay? Like, we'll bring the mukbangs back after I get my tooth surgery done, okay? But for now, we're not doing no mukbang right now. Y'all got a fucking cooking video out. I'm about to go devour the fuck out of this shit. Bye, girl.